wait. Now before y'all get on me about this vlog that I just took down, if you're watching this, I took it down because it was not loading none of my audio for my music, and I saved it. And when I saved it and looked back in it this morning, it was gone. So don't kill me. It's exporting. This will be up. If you're watching this, by the time this video is up, this one should be up. That should be up tonight. So now let's get into the real vlog. So if you're not new to my channel, or you are, this is just new news in general. So before Christmas break, somebody ran into my car, and Pearl is now dead. If you follow me on social media, you will know that my car has died. And it's in a safe place now. I can't tell you how it feels to lose a car, but we got something new. Big bro called me up and he was like, I got something for you. So I went to the house and picked it up, and he was like, you have it till 6. So here it is. That way, it's lit. Want to let y'all know that the window's up. So we on our way to Walmart now. I'm going to pick up some groceries and stuff, and we're gonna run errands today. So let's talk about different stuff that's coming on. I'm gonna do a lookbook the ending of this week, and
be on the lookout for that.
Yeah, I'm gonna do if not this week, probably the ending of next week, because this week I got a light week. So that's what we planning to do. And yeah, you coming along with us for the day. We running errands all day. It's boring, but I still said we should vlog today because it's a nice day out. Ain't that right, Steve?
Yeah.
You want to say something to the camera?
No, not really.
Back from grocery shopping.
Packed as hell.
Yeah, man, it was packed in there. Walmart got to do better, just overall, with customer service, because it's piss poor, for one.
What I mean?
Exactly, that way. And they need to just...
What happened? What happened in there? I said, what I missed?
Stuff can go way faster, but it's just, Walmart want to play around. That way.
You don't see it?
Yeah. And let's go, man. So yeah, where we about to go? We about to go to a little spot I've been looking at.
Just shoot me on my face this whole time.
And take some pictures, and then we about to go home. So it's not really, it's a very short day. I just wanted to vlog because I had this and I wasn't gonna let the opportunity go to waste. That way. These people looking at us in traffic like we owe them something. When you have like a $50,000 car, people always trying to look at something that's not theirs. This ain't mine either, but we motherfucking driving this motherfucker. That way. You know what the fuck going on? And let's put it back in comfort, because we don't fuck with these niggas like that. Let's put this shit back in comfort. You know? We chillin'. It's a short day today. That's why I wanted to get everything out the way. You know. And right now we going back to my house because I need to finish putting up that vlog that I did at the end of the day. Guys, so we back out here at this mural These murals they just built. They still new and shit. We out here taking pictures, man. The car back there. Thank you, Jesse, once again for letting me hold it for the day. And yeah, man, I'm gonna snap these pictures up of Big Steve right here. So the vlog is over with. Y'all have a nice afternoon. And I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this day. Thanks for watching.